Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me how to make this. I don't see the point, but if you look at it from here, you can't see anything, but if you zoom in, the girl's face appears. It is pretty cool, but I don't know what you would do with that. I don't know that that would print. Maybe it would. And maybe if I would have used gray, no, I believe the red would be the best. But see, up close, you can't really see it. It's really pretty cool. So I couldn't find the face I used. So I just made this one or got this one off the internet. Hopefully it'll work. So what we're going to do, and I'm actually using their file because their page is 8.5 by 11. Taking ellipse, hold down the control button, make it perfect. Make it an even amount like 0.5. And then make your nudge factor 0.25. And make a duplicate and move it over and down. Make a duplicate, move it over twice. Take your Smart Fill tool, any color, and fill it in. So now you have the shape I created. I'm going to left click, right click, and I am going to go to Effects and Contour. Well, first of all, I want to make it something other than a hairline. And I'm going to contour 7 times 0.03. That might or might not be too much. But if we go to Object and break contour apart and make them all red by right-clicking, we have that outline. Now that it's, so I'm going to group it together. Now that we got it, we can change our nudge factor because this now is a 1/2 inch. So we're going to change our nudge factor to 0.5. And we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. I evidently didn't hit Control D. And just keep going all the way down. I don't know how that's big enough for her face. I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate. And I need to change my nudge factor back to 0.25. I think. And move it down and over. Correct. It worked. Now, instead of continuing at an angle, if we go Control D and move it down twice, we get that. And then I can just go Control D to get as many as we want. Maybe one more. So, and then I would group this together. I still don't know what he's going to do with this. It's almost an optical illusion. Let's put the girl's face in. Let's go to Object, Order. Well, let's just put it in there by hitting P. Now it's on top. No, it's not, because we can see the now, but it's normally in Corel, the last thing you got selected is your item. So let's go to the transparency docker and let's make it transparent. And if you look, this might not be as good as the first one. You can't really tell anything, but when we zoom in and out, you can see a girl's face. And if you want to go back to the transparency docker, I don't know if he's going to print this out, but it is pretty cool, I have to admit. Wonder if we made these black or gray. Nope. See, it has to be a black. Red doesn't, he said red. He must have seen it somewhere. Red does pretty good, but you can always click on your girl again and go back to the transparency docker, and you can make it where you can't see it at all, but you can't really see it when it's far away, but you can kind of see it when it, so what you'd probably want to do is use the transparency docker when it's zoomed in, and then when you zoom out, you can't really see it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.